Hello YouTube and welcome to this video. In today's video I am going to show you how to make a server for 1.12. This is a server with, where you can have plugins on it, so it is going to be a Spigot server. So here we are on the getbucket.org /Spigot. I will leave a link for everything all pages I'm on. So what you're gonna do is download it down here and click yes. Okay, close that off again, and we will drag this to our desktop. I'm just gonna open all the other things I had. But this file we're gonna need, so open your server plugin or create a new one. We can just create a new one just for the purpose of this video, but if you are already have a folder, just go in and delete the old one and change the script so it runs the new one. So it's just gonna be Minecraft plugin server. Just lift it up a little bit like that, and we drag this into it and open, and you are gonna make a I'm actually just gonna take the script from so I'm gonna take this, and over this one we're gonna make a new it's missing gonna make a new text document, and you're gonna call it run, and you can open it, and I have already typed this, but here you're gonna take what is exactly what is written here, and you're gonna put it in here. So it is gonna say Spigot dash 1.12, and that's it. You're just gonna save, and then you're gonna press save as, and then this file is gonna name run, and select all files and press or type .bat, and then click save. So now I can close this and delete the text file of it, and this one I also can delete, I don't need it. And then you're gonna double click the run file. Just gonna wait for it to make first. Actually, no, you need to run the Spigot first, because the other one we need later. So it's starting to generate a lot of files. That's the reason why we put it in a folder. And now you're gonna wanna go to the EULA, I think it's pronounced, and change false to true, and click save. And I'm using, for editing text files and stuff, Notepad++. That's 100% the easiest, because it colors corrects all stuff. So if something is wrong, it goes red when you're coding other plugins and stuff. So now we select the run file. No, we still need this one. The last, when you're gonna run the server for real, you need this one up here. So now it's fully loaded now. So now we can go and press this one. Why isn't it working? let's find out. Yeah, I know, because there's a dash right there, so it needs to be a period, a dot. Now it should work. Yes, it does. So now it's loading the libraries, and I'm just gonna check if it started or not. Yeah, it started, but it closed itself. So just gonna... Please say there's not gonna be any errors. Yeah, it's fine now. It is because you need to have your task manager open and go to the name thing and just scroll down until you see Java update thing, and right under will be the Java TM. And if it's like using 500 megabytes of RAM, then you know it's that one. Just close it and start just start the bat file again. So I'm just gonna start my Minecraft and I'll see you there. So my Minecraft is about to start up now. So you go into multiplayer, and it already is here because I have, but you can see I just type localhost, and in the end of the video I will show you how to port forward so everybody else in the whole world can join your server. So let's just try to join. And this is a texture pack from a guy I know. I think I'm on the wrong account. So now I'm on the right account, and oh, it's a little laggy, but yeah, as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. And this is a server, so I can go over here. I hope it we can do like this instead. So now up in the console you can press, and you can type what was it? OP, and then following the name of your player. So mine is LavaRushHD, and I just upped myself, as you can see in the chat. So that is fantastic, and so I can type like game mode 1, go into creative, and I can type PL for see what plugins. Oh, that's actually quite cool. It didn't generate like to begin with. It did generate the wealth properly, so it made like a nice water thing around it. And that is actually just what it does if it generates in a wrong way. What do we have in here? In this shitty stuff. But like This is how you make a server, and I'm gonna go over to the part where I show you how to port forward. So I will jump over there now. So now I'm on the site for my router, and what you wanna do for your router, there will probably be in my other tutorial. If you have a router that looks interface that looks more similar to that, go check that out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for it. But this is how mine look. So I'm gonna go down to game and application sharing, and I'm gonna create a new game or application. I'm gonna make a name for it, so MC plug in, like that, and I'm gonna press the manual entire port maps. So I'm gonna press next, and down here we are gonna make it so it's 25565 and 25565 and 25565, and then we are gonna press apply. No, that's for a name. So this is what it should be. So I just went to the thing down here where I could then go further. So and type my IP up here, and you press. I will also leave a link for this site, but my IP, I have blocked it out so you can see it, but I'm gonna take it, like copy it, my IP, and go into Minecraft and edit my server. So it is my IP colon 25565, and then press done. And if you refresh, it should be opened. I've figured out how to get it to work. So I had selected the aim talk before, but I needed to select where is it? Yeah, it is right here. MC plugin server, and that was my fault. But now you know what you're gonna do. So let's try it out now, and I refresh, and this is the server. So let's figure out if it works, and it does. So I can't really show you how that it like 100% works, but trust me, it will. So if you change your own IP, then you'll also have to change the way you log in to the server, unless you assign a DNS. I also have another video on that, where you can change your IP to a what is it called? A domain name. So I think that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. So peace out and bye.